wabarakatuh. The Honorable Teacher, Mrs. Triandari Setyaningrum, and all of my beloved participants. Good evening all. Thank you for coming to this online meeting. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rosella Audea Oviola from 12 Science 5, number 30. In this online meeting, I am as host. This group consists of 3 people. Me as host, Sabila as moderator, and Salma as presenter. In this online meeting, we will discuss about caption. Before we start this meeting, I would like to say to the participants, you can turn on your microphone in Q&A session or just write the question down on comment section. The present column will be shared on the comment section. Don't forget to fill it. Not talking too long, I will give the time and opportunity to Sabila as moderator. Sabila, take your time.
Okay, thanks Sela for the time. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Sabila Sapasausan from 12 Science 5 and number 31. Yes, this time we will discuss the type of caption and example that will be present by Salma Anissa Radia as presenter. So, allow me to read several sequence of our agenda. First, opening by Rosella as host. Second, presentation will be led by me as moderator. Third, Q&A session, and last, closing. Okay, before we start, I will explain the rules. First, when the material is present, participants must turn off the microphone. Second, participants are required to watch the material properly. Third, don't spam in chat and use polite language when commenting. And next, during the question and answer session, only 3 questions are allowed. And last, question can be typed in the chat field. Not taking too long, I will give the time to Salma as presenter. Salma, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you Sabila as a moderator. I'm Salma Anissa Radia, absent number 34 from 12 Science 5. I will explain about caption. Before we make a caption, we should know about the meaning of the caption. So, what is a caption? Caption is a brief description, heading, or title that identify or introduce a document, graphic, photograph, or table. It consists of additional information which is available in the picture or photo. Usually, it's located below the picture itself. Next, what is the purpose of the caption? The purpose of the caption is to help readers or viewers to understand more information that might not be in photo or video. What is generic structure of caption? There are 3 generic structure of caption. First, display, contain photo, diagram, or illustration. Second is caption, description of the photo, diagram, or illustration. And third, photo credit, such as photo by. So, what is the rule of writing a caption? The rule of writing a caption is supply specific information, answering 5 W and 1 H question. What, where, when, who, why, and how the activity of the picture is happened. And then use present tense on the first sentence. Captions are written in a complete sentence. Clearly identify the people and location in the photo, and the last, identifying the person from left to right. Next, how to write a caption text? There are 3 steps to write a caption text. First, observe the picture or video you will give the caption. Second, find out the message that will be sent from the picture before you write caption. And third, write sentence or phrase under the picture. Next, what is the type of caption? There are 6 types of caption, such as identification bar, cut line, summary, expanded, group identification, and quote. In order to better understand about the type of caption, we will immediately see the example. For the first type of caption, we have identification bar. This type of caption that only mention who is in the image. Look the example, Noella posts at the Stadium Manahan, Solo. The second example, Rahma posts at the Taman Pintar building, Yogyakarta. The next type of caption is cutline. This type of caption specific who was being drawn and what it was doing. Look the example, fruit seller offer her wares to the visitor at the Pasar Gede Solo. The second example is barber chef, a man that hot rock custom barber shop in Grogol, Sukoharjo. The third type of caption is summary. This caption contains a complete of who was drawn, what was done, when it happened, where it happened, and why it was done. Look the example, karate team of 7 Senior High School Surakarta do the routine training on April 8, 2019 in the field to prepare for the upcoming competition. The second example is students of 12 Science 5 wear traditional clothes to commemorate Kartini Day on April 21, 2019 at 7 Senior High School Surakarta. The next type of caption is expanded, much like a text summary type with complete information detail, the event occurred, and citation if any. Let's see in the example, 11th grade student of 7 Senior High School Surakarta take part in one of the school program, namely a study tour, which is held in the cleanest village Panglipuran, Bali on March 10, 2020. Students could also learn English language by conducting dialogue with foreign tourists, so they could at each site English vocabulary. Students also could learn about culture, local wisdom, and historical building in Bali. The students looked very happy and excited. The event was useful to increase student knowledge, creativity, and cooperation with their friends. The second example of expanded is students of 12 Science 5 participate in the general election for the chairman and vice chairman of the student council at Graha Saptajaya on March 15, 2020. The election was held once a year. This activity was a realization of democracy. Every student could choose one of 3 candidates by voting. After that, their little finger would be marked with blue ink. All of the students looked enthusiastic in participating in the activity, so it could run smoothly and successfully. The next type of caption is group identification. It's same as identification bar. It's just that this type is used when the image contains more than one person. Look the example, Sabila takes picture of Hikmah, Faza, and Ayodhya at the Trasan house. The second example is, from left, Nunu and her friend Lani pose at Indrokilo Park, Boyolali. The last type of caption is quote. This caption a quote someone word related to the picture. Let's see the example. Sky always give us the reason to laugh. The second example, life is simple. You make choice and you don't look back. Okay, I think that's all for me. So thank you. I will give the time and opportunity to Sabila as moderator. Sabila, take your time.
Okay, thank you Salma. Next, we will open Q&A session. The session is now open 3 questions. To participant, please turn on the microphone or write it down in the discussion column if you want to ask. Okay, thank you, Oxy. The meaning of life is simple. You make choice and don't look back is when you've made a decision, don't hesitate anymore. Thank you.
Okay, I will answer the question from Pinkan. So, what are the word variation used to start a good caption of writing? The word variation used to start a good caption of writing is prepositional phrase, infinitive phrase, participle phrase, question, and exclamation.
Okay, if there are no more questions, we will end this meeting. Before we end this meeting, Salma, as presenter, will conclude the conclusion of today's presentation. Salma, take your time.
Okay, thank you Sabila as a moderator. So I will give the conclusion about our presentation today. So the conclusion, caption tag is brief description, heading or title that identify or introduce a document, graphic, photograph or table. There are 6 types of caption such as identification bar, line, summary, expanded, group identification, and quote. Okay, I think that's all for me. So I will give the time and opportunity to Rosella as the host. Rosella, take your time.
Alright, we are at the end of the online meeting. We apologize if we have mistakes during the presentation. We really hope this meeting can provide new knowledge for all of you. Thank you for attending this online meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.